Do you have hardwood floors over 100 years old? Traditional sanding can damage antique wood, but at Savera Wood Floor Refinishing, we've perfected a gentler solution. Our dust-free refinishing system carefully removes only the old finish and a tiny surface layer, preserving the integrity of your historic floors. Then, with our UV-cured finish, your floors are instantly protected and up to 40% more durable than traditional coatings. Perfect for new homeowners who want the beauty of restored hardwood without the mess or downtime of sanding. Call Kendall today at 631-866-1972 and let us bring your old floors back to life.